Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'll talk about XRP, what's going on now with this token, where we going, and what we can expect in the next few months. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, the good news for all XRP community. So the case between the SEC and the Ripple is over, so it's closed. So congrats everybody who waited this moment. And this was like a pump 24% on the chart. So basically it's good news for the Ripple, and it's fun because the case closed not around here to bring the more investors in the XRP. Now big investor, now the case closed and over around all-time high at $3.32, while the retails based on this news will start hopping into XRP and will stock in XRP for the next, I guess, 2 years or 3 years if they will not fix the profit. Yes, guys, the same story being here. Everybody talk about we go into $5 confirmed and all of this stuff. After that, we landed in COVID dump to 11 cents, and the people stuck for 8 years. Right, the same story being here, based on some rumors. So $5, $10, $100 confirmed because Ripple and some list of reasons, like logical reasons, and people once again stuck for three next years. 27 block playing out pretty good one, and I'm more than sure we will see something like this one by end of this year or spring 2026, and most likely by end of this year, even in November. For example, so after that, we will drop once again under $1. So this is my humble opinion, and my take for Ripple. We'll come back to this video later and double check. A lot of rumors now about Blackrock and XRP. Maybe they will start talking about Blackrock ETF XRP when we'll be around the $5 again. But now, BlackRock, which currently lists and trades BTC ETF and Ethereum ETF, said that it does not have the plans for XRP ETF or Sol ETF. So just in case now. But usually, how it's usually happening, right? So now they have zero interest in it, and around here, probably we will see some news about, BlackRock changed their mind, and maybe they will start prepare the background for the XRP ETF. And the people, based on that rumors, hopping again, and we will see something like this one in the next bear market. That's why, guys, my take for the XRP absolutely is still relevant, because even here in Zone 23, I shared with you this FIB. It's just a pretty simple FIB. What I use usually, it's a monthly time frame. Just to zoom out and take a look. This was the top 27 block. Test 38, 27 block again, like accumulation, and we sweep the high, sweep again, and we will see that 1, 2, 3 rise pattern to $4.82, maybe even the $5 like a main trigger, for XRP, maybe $5.02, something like this one. So attractive. And imagine the hype when the people will see the XRP around closer to the $5. Everybody starts screaming, not enough, it's not enough. We go into straightforward to $10, to $20, $50 confirmed, $100 confirmed. Who more? So guys, it's happening all the time. Under we get a huge monthly gap, and in the next bear market, definitely this gap will be filled, and we will drop under $1, I think, maybe to 87 cents. Maybe 87 cents will be the bottom for that XRP. I don't think so. We will drop again inside 27 block, like 42.95, 20 cents, 93. I don't think so. But around $1.44, this one, and 87 cents, it's probably will be the bottom for XRP. We will come back to this video later and double check. Take a look there. How the insiders, sell in a last video I showed you. So here, first of all, we bounced it 24%, right? And now based on these rumors, it's 4 hour time frame. But before we dump at 23%, because in the last video I shared with you where that news here, this one. So the co-founder XRP sell the tokens exactly at the top. And after that, we dump it 24%. And magically, in the next few days after the dump, to recover back the price, they closed the case against the SEC. Crazy how everything looks like pre-planned before. All right, guys. Anyway, now we reject at first level, previous all-time high. Anyway, without correction, we can consolidate, so we can start build something like this triangle, and that triangle, the size of that triangle, guys, will be exactly around here. Come on, not that one, here. Around, with the weak candle, we're gonna test 456, 482. So this is my take, guys. And it's just a matter of time when. I don't think so that, like this one, in June, we hit the all-time high like 366. It's last high for XRP. No, I think, yes, we need more hype about XRP closer to the $5. So more and more retailers hop into XRP. I'm not hate XRP, guys. I just looks realistically on the charts, and I track the human behaviors every single cycle about XRP, the sentiment, the posts in Reddit, the posts in Twitter, absolutely like copy paste. So it's kind of weird. It's every single cycle, absolutely the same narrative. XRP is will be the next financial system in the world. We don't need the Swift anymore. We just gonna use the XRP. We go to $100 and all of this stuff, guys. This is just a simple assets for trades. So, but it's like a cool token. So let's double check, guys, on a weekly time frame with my customer request. What's going on now? ADZ I can show you because it's a global ticker. So here, direction, time to buy been here in October 23, and time to sell was here January 25, January Monday 27. That week we dumped it from $3.21. We dump it to 161. Now, no similar signal. It's good. It's good. That's why, yes, it can be some consolidation in August. Maybe even some deeper consolidation to even $2.38 if we will see some drop in September, right? But anyway, we will bounce to $4.82. It's just my humble opinion, guys. When we will see another signal to sell, I will see the notifications, guys. Now on the weekly time frame, it's A3, so time to buy was here. Last one on the weekly, June 24. It was a capitulation on the chart where was a comfortable price to buy XRP. All this time period is just a madness, and A3 how it playing out on history, you can zoom out and compare it. This is a madness in January 18, and now the hype even bigger one. Month time frame, compare the hype after the crazy pump. Now we got a bigger pump on the market mood, the sentiment of the crowd. That's why, guys, be careful. And it would be good to see the signal to sell on direction bearish. Let's see the direction bearish one. And it's good. It's good. I will see the notification. So all my notifications, alerts, I will share in Twitter. So I'll recommend you follow on Twitter. Link will be on the description below. And also, guys, I recommend you to use this indicator set by yourself so you can track it alone. So what is good and what is bad based on a money power indicator here? Money inflow, the last one was in June, summer 24, money outflow. And now we once again at the top. So let's add alerts also to the money outflow on the weekly. So the last time money outflow triggered here in November, December, zone 24 from $2.08. We pump it after that, we drop it a little bit and hit the new high, but dump it to $1.61. So sooner or later, guys, we will see another money outflow because the whales needed time. That's why here they can't just sell, press sell by market. They needed time for distribution, 245 days, for example. So if it can be like extended in time, let's say till January, let's say January here, that's one, 399 days, 399 days, guys. They need basically for distribution, approximately. Accumulation was here, 784 days. They needed time for accumulation. That's why they kept the token in the range, and they need distribution. That's why they usually draw that waves, Elliott waves, and 3-drive spat, and all of this stuff, because they needed time to distribute their bags. They can't, who accumulated all this time period here over than 700 days. They can't just press sell by market because the price will drop like this one on the futures and on the spot. That's why they needed time. They needed time distributed like a soul, All right, take a look. The last two indicators straight on, guys. Money, power, close here. Once again, they sell it step by step. Here's a sell, drop without any buyback signal. Sell without any buyback signal, we will go higher on a weekly time frame. Daily, sell, buyback. Now, no new signal to buy or sell. Nothing. This is like a tiny buyback for the swing trades with the proper money management, guys. This is not like all in. All in was here in summer 2024. So everything you could track by yourself. The last indicator, guys, take profit. Take profit on the daily here. No, yes, on a daily. Let's check on a daily here. We rejected the exit line, test, perfect test, and rejection at take profit line. Take a look. Perfect test. Now we try break the first level previous all-time high. So I told you the worst case, it's if we'll see some, like triangle. We start to build that triangles with fake outs like this one, and go higher. September, it's a daily time frame, so even in September we can go a few weeks more, in the range, like between 338 to 86, and after that we'll reach this target anyway. It's just a matter of time. But of course, guys, it's just my humble opinion. Also, take a look. It's not the right time to buy XRP because we trade way over exit line. How it playing out before? So here we trade way over exit line. So probably we around here, for example, new waves and drop. Here is a pump over exit line, drop, test the take profit line, pump it back and dump it under fundamental value. So the situation can be absolutely similar. So something like this one. After that, we'll drop in February, for example, to the exit line or even the take profit line, bounce, form something like head and shoulder, and collapse it down on the fundamental value. Fundamental value will be here. So this is a potential scenario for how the XRP will end this cycle. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in the comment what you think about Ripple. If you'd like to trade with my customer said what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.